If you want to fix a particular swing bug, or just want to try out different swing moves, wouldn't it be nice if you could watch yourself in slow motion, ideally in some kind of repetitive loop? For this, you wouldn't have to build a complex studio setup with lots of cams and views. A single front view cam could sometimes be all you need. How to get such a simple setup that works, this video is all about. To get rid of my scoop, force my weight transfer to my left heel, or increase my backswing, I need nothing more than a front view video. Many bugs may be visible at normal playback speed. My scoopy chicken wing hides until I catch him in slow motion. What I have to do to get such a kind of slow-mo video is to capture my swing, stop capturing after each swing, and play back the swing in slow motion. All this immediately after each swing, because this is the only way to keep direction and save time while developing a new swing. If you're alone and nobody can operate on your Swing Studio PC, you'll need some kind of automatic to capture each swing and start the playback. Programming a motion detection system seems way too complex for me, but I'll try with a simple script simulating a starter's gun. The easiest way to achieve this seems to be a small bash script running in a Linux terminal. If you didn't already build up your own Swing Studio on top of a Linux box, you'll be able to set up the script within a virtualized Linux system. This will work as well, or nearly as well. The bash script combines the inputs and outputs of some other tools, which have to be already installed on the system. These are the Video for Linux utils, FFmpeg and mplayer. And on the latest distributions, probably the Ubuntu Sounds package. To install all of them, type in the line sudo apt install v4l utils, FFmpeg, mplayer, Ubuntu Sounds in a terminal window. After everything is installed, the command v4l2 control list devices shows all the available video devices on your system. The webcam I want to use in this example is here under dev video null. The command v4l2 control d dev video null list formats ext lists all the possible combinations of resolution and frame rate this very cam is able to capture. Here you can see the highest possible frame rate is 120 frames per second at a resolution of 640 to 480 pixels. The higher the frame rate, the better for analyzing such fast movements as a golf swing. As a bash script is just a text file, open your favorite text editor, for example Nano, and predefine the name of the text file, the name under which you later will start the script. Here it's slow motion. Type in shebang bin bash, which is a command and tells the system to get through the following lines line by line, executing every command. Sleep 20. This means the program will do nothing for a period of 20 seconds, so I will have enough time to leave the PC and reach my T-box after starting this program. While true is the head of a loop which will run on and on until I stop the script. Do is part of the loop's head. Sleep 5 produces a small pause just before every new capturing. PA play user share sounds Ubuntu stereo phone outgoing busy og. This is a sequence of 3 beeps included in the package Ubuntu Sounds, which I prefer as a warning signal ahead of the actual start signal. sleep 2. 2 seconds pause before the real start. PA play, user share sounds, Ubuntu stereo, phone outgoing calling OGG. The actual start signal is a long beep. FFmpeg F V4L2 input format MJPEG, video size 640 to 480, frame rate 120, T2, I def video null, Schwung MP4. This command executes the external tool FFmpeg, which will take care about the capturing. The arguments tell FFmpeg about the capturing source, a video for Linux device, about the input format, motion JPEG, about the frame rate, the picture's resolution, and that the capturing time will take exactly 2 seconds. The I defines the input source, here the device under def video null, and Schwung MP4 is the name of the output file in which the video will be stored. As you expected, Schwung is the German name for swing. MPlayer, FPS 12, FS, Zoom, Schwung MP4. Now it's time to play back the video using another external tool called MPlayer. The options tell MPlayer to play the file Schwung MP4 with a frame rate of 12 frames per second in full screen mode, stretching the image to full screen state. RM Schwung MP4. To delete the file assures not to be prompted and stopped during the following loop because of FFmpeg trying to save a video under an already existing file name. Done marks the end of the loop structure. After completing these lines, store the text file with Ctrl-O and close Nano with Ctrl-X. The simplest way to execute this script is calling bash to run it, typing a single period followed by a white space and the script's name, slow motion, and enter. When you're done and back at your PC, wait until the last playback finished and the terminal gets focus again. Then stop the script with a shortcut Ctrl-C.